how to add another account on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add in another account on Snapchat. The process is very easy. Simply open up Snapchat on your phone, and over here you guys are going to see your account. So right now, as you guys can see, that I have two accounts open over here. Now from over here, I want you guys to firstly, of course, log in. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to basically remove my first account and I will just simply log in into my main account. Now once I'm logged in, after that, once you guys have also logged in, simply click on your profile icon on the top left, click on the settings on the top right, then scroll down till the very end and click on log out. Now from over here, log out, and then once you guys have logged out from your first account, after that, all that you guys need to do is simply click on add another account. Now over here at the bottom right, you guys can see use other account option. Click on that and then log in with your second account. So I will just simply log in from my second account over here, and then as soon as I've logged in from my second account, now over here, if I were to of course go back and log out from over here by just clicking log out, well then I will be able to see both of my accounts. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in multiple accounts on Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care, till next time, goodbye.